Hello everybody, in this video we are solving exponential equation. Given 0.09 power 1 over 2 times x minus 3 divided by 0.3 power 3x plus 1 equal 1. Find value of x. So let's begin. 0.09 we can replace with 0.3 square, so that we might read to be 0.3 square times x minus 3 over 0.3 power 3x plus 1 equal 1. Multiplied by 0.3 power 3x plus 1. Zero point 3 power 3x plus 1 on both sides. 0.3 power 3x plus 1 gone. So the equation can be written 0.3 power x minus 3 equal 0.3 power 3x plus 1. Then we have the same. Then we have x minus 3 equal 3x plus 1. So that move to x equal minus 4. Finally x equal minus 2. It is solution. Okay, take care. I will see you next time.